This mobile cobot station enables flexible automated workflows. Mounted on a wheeled trolley, it moves easily across workshops to fit diverse production demands. Its intuitive smart touchscreen simplifies operation. Operators can quickly adjust welding parameters and start tasks with minimal setup. The collaborative arm follows programmed paths, creating clean weld seams with accurate control. It handles different metal structures with flexible movements and consistent welding performance. It performs smooth aluminum welding, delivering even accurate seams on lightweight metals. Quick tool changes switch between welding and cleaning functions, expanding application possibilities. With automated laser cleaning, the robot removes rust efficiently and evenly, reducing manual work while improving cleaning consistency. Easily strips coatings to prep metal for next steps. Flexible automation, built for your production needs.